Hi, I'm Mrs. Hess, and I will be your teacher this year for 5th grade. Our classroom is located in D hallway, and it's the first door on the right, room 127. On your first day of school, you'll go directly to the gym just like you did last year, and that will be where I pick you up to take you to get breakfast. Before we go into the room to eat, we'll stop outside in the hall at our lockers to unpack our things. After we eat, we'll have our morning meeting, which I hope you remember from last year. There'll just be a few differences because of current guidelines, but I still think this is the best way for us to start our day together, and I'm really looking forward to hear what you share with me during that time. Under a code yellow, which is what we are on for the first 3 weeks of school, our special schedule will rotate, so that way you don't have the same special every time that you're here. So for the first week, the Tuesday-Thursday group will have gym on Tuesday and music on Thursday, and the Wednesday-Friday group will have library on Wednesday and gym on Friday. Again, that schedule will alternate every other week, so I will be sure to include that in the weekly newsletter that will go home at the beginning of every week, so be looking for that. Some things to look forward to about 5th grade. We start the year off reading a novel together called Wonder, and it's one of my favorite things that we do together. In math, we talk about fractions and decimals and rounding a lot. In history, we start with learning about the Civil War and cover as many topics as we can up to present day. We also, at the end of the year, do a research project where you get to pick somebody that you're interested in learning more about and share what you've learned in the cafeteria while you're dressed up as that person, and students and other teachers and parents come to hear what all you've learned. We also, this year, for the first time, 5th grade is included in the art cart that came last year to you as 4th graders, but they will only be here when we are green, so I can't say for sure when we'll start, hopefully on that 4th week of school, and that will be on Wednesdays. Remember that we're using Schoology to do activities and assignments on days that you are not in school, and I'll show you how to log on and navigate that once you are here. So this is why it's important for you to make sure that you bring your iPad and your charger every day that you're at school, and also remember to take it home with you so you can be a part of the activities on days that you are at home. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or call the school between now and then. I am so excited to get this school year started, and I cannot wait to see you on Tuesday and Wednesday.